Hello there. My name is Janet Villa. Are you looking for a professional and experienced bookkeeper to take care of your business accounting books? Would you mind doing focus in growing your business and let the bookkeeper handle the figures and keep your books on track and accurate? Don't you worry because I am here to help as a full-time freelance bookkeeper. I can provide you with excellent services to ensure your business accounts are always organized and up to date. Here what's make me the best choice for your business accounting needs. I hold a degree in Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, where the various trainees in bookkeeping and accounting, and I'm experienced in handling books. I have more than 20 years of experience in corporate jobs and now practicing freelance bookkeeping. I am proficient in QuickBooks Online setup, clean up, and catch up, and I have extensive knowledge and training in multi currency bank reconciliation and categorization doing via PayPal, Hubdoc, Shopify, A2X, and Wise. I am proficient and experienced in data entry with proficiency in Microsoft Excel Google Worksheets, and I enjoy the challenge in critical thinking financial analysis, excellent on communication numeracy, and I love cracking numbers in accounting and bookkeeping. I am detail oriented, organized, and reliable, and I always strive to deliver accurate and timely results for my clients, whether you need to help with invoicing, payroll, taxation, tax preparation, and financial reporting. I can be teamwork or I can provide with high quality bookkeeping services that meets your needs and expectations. These skills can help me demonstrate my competence and professionalism in the field of bookkeeping. Moreover, I am very much excited to meet you for a discovery call. Contact details are provided in my profile and see you around. Thank you.